Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss calculated field in Tableau and the use case of calculated field. So before we start the video, if you have not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for upcoming and interesting videos. So without any further delay, let's get started. So what is calculated field? So calculated field is used to modify the data and create new calculated field from the data that is exist in your data source so that you have information that you need for your dashboard and analysis. Okay, let's see what are the use case for calculated field. First one is create a new field using existing one. Let's take an example. Suppose you have first name and the last name, so you want a field with the first name and last name, you can say full name. So what you can do, you can create a calculated field so that you can combine first name and last name to make its full name. Okay, second one is format string value. Suppose in the string you have space and you want to remove that space, so for this you can use calculated field. Okay, third one is change a field data type to work with others. Let's take an example. Suppose you have customer name and customer ID and you want to make a combined field of it, but customer ID has int data type or number data type and customer name has string data type, so you can't combine with the different data types. So what you can do is you can change the data type of customer ID to, that is, number to string, or customer name string to number, so that you can combine both fields. Okay, manipulate date field. So by using calculated field, you can find out the years from the date, week, month, quarter, and etc. By using calculated field, you can manipulate the date. Okay, so let's see how we can use calculated field in Tableau. So there are three ways to create a calculated field. Let's discuss one by one. First one is go to this drop down, click here and go to create calculated field. So once you create a calculated field, so the pop-up will look like this and you can enter your query here. Okay, second one is go to analysis and go to create calculated field. Okay, and third one is click on any field and go to create and go to calculated field. So these are the three ways to create calculated field. Okay, so let's discuss their use case one by one. So first one is create a new field using existing one. Create new field using existing one. Okay, so let's create a calculated field of new field. Give it to name new field use case one. Okay, so let's combine customer name plus and customer ID. Okay, as you can see, this calculation is valid and click on OK. So once a field is created, so it will look like this. If any field has equal sign before data field, so it will be calculated field. Okay, let's drag it so you can see a new field is created, which is a combination of customer name and customer ID. Okay, second one is format string values. Format string values. Okay, use case to format string values. Let's take an example. Suppose we have a word which has space before and after. So how we can remove the space? Just write trim. So trim is a function which is reuse to remove the space from the string. Okay, I'm using, I'm giving space, sales, then space. Okay, so you can see this calculation is valid. So don't worry, we will discuss all these function in our upcoming video in details. Okay, click on OK, then drag it. So as you can see, space is removed from string values. Okay, so there are multiple string functions available here. You can go to here, click on string. So all these are available here. Okay, and same for date, type conversion, logical, aggregate, user, table calculation, and spatial. So we will discuss one by one in our upcoming videos. Let's move to our third use case, that is change a field data type to work with others. Let's first change the name, change data type. So let's create a scenario for this. So customer ID has string and number value. Okay, let's split it. So easiest way is to go here, and split it, and you can see the field is splitted into two, so we don't want this value, so let's delete it, and we have customer ID, okay, with this value. Now we can go for it. Okay, so now let's create a field, change data type, use case 3. So if I want to add the customer name with customer ID, okay, let's add customer name plus giving hyphen plus customer ID, which is only number. So it is giving error because we can't add string and integer value. Okay, so now we have to convert either customer name or either customer ID. Okay, so let's convert customer ID into string value, and you can see this calculation is valid now, and click on OK. Let's drag it. So as you can see, now we have customer name and with customer ID. Okay, so this is how you can change the data type of the field to make it further use. Okay, and the fourth one is manipulate date field. Manipulate date field. Go to calculated field. Okay, use case for date field manipulation. Okay, so we have date field is ship date and order date. So if I want to find out the year of the order date, so how we can do it? Just type year and drag order date. Okay, and this calculation is valid, and click on OK. So it will go to masher. So when you drag this value, it will give you different value which is not required here because it is giving our continuous value. Okay, just go to here and make it to dimension. Okay, now drag it and you will get the year of this order date. Okay, same here, if you want month, just go to here and type month. Okay, and click on OK. So you can see it will give the number in 1 to 12. Okay, so if you want instead of number you want January, February, so what you can do is just go to here, delete it, go to date, name, okay, and month, and then order date, and then just click on OK. So you can see now here Jan, Feb, March, April, May up to December. Okay, so this is how you can manipulate the date by using calculative field. And don't worry, we will discuss date function in upcoming videos. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. If you like the video, please do like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for upcoming videos.